Hello friends, today is Rashtriya Jodi Buti and Masala Divas, means National Herbs and Spices Day, and it is a celebration dedicated to the rich heritage and diversity of herbs and spices in India. This day recognizes the significant role that these natural products play in traditional medicines, culinary practices, and cultural rituals. Herbs and spices have been an integral part of Indian life for centuries, not only enhancing the flavor and aroma of food, but also contributing to health and well being. The day aims to raise awareness about the benefits and the uses of various herbs and spices, encouraging their cultivation and sustainable use. On this day, normally, various activities and events are organized, such as exhibitions, workshops, and educational sessions to showcase the variety of herbs and spices available in India. These events also highlights the traditional knowledge associated with their medicinal and culinary uses, promoting the preservation of the valuable cultural heritage. Overall, Rashtriya Jodi Buti and Masala Divas is a celebration of India's rich and botanical resources and their traditional wisdom that has been passed down through generation. So we all need to preserve our tradition, our culture, and we must celebrate this day every year with a lot of passion. This is all about. Thank you.